Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I recently cleared the PL300 exam, which awards you the Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate title. Why take the PL300 exam? Professional development, certification enhances your career prospects and opens doors for new opportunities. Interest in data analytics. If you're passionate about data analytics, this certification is ideal. It's also beneficial for managers and professionals looking to expand their skill set. Validation of skills. Passing the exam proves you have the expertise to effectively use Power BI, create custom solutions, and deploy analytics. Exam format. Time: 1 hour 40 minutes to 2 hours. Questions: around 50, maybe a little more. Types of questions: multiple choice, fill in the blank, and true, false. Focus areas: data preparation, data modeling, visualization and analysis, and deployment of assets. Pricing. The exam costs around 4,800 INR to 5,000 INR, but you might get a discount if your company is partnered with Microsoft. Tips to pass the exam. Build a strong foundation. Learn Power BI concepts like bar charts, data relationships, and how to model and transform data. Use exam topics and pass for sure. Check out these websites for practice questions most likely to appear on the exam. Pro tip: always review the discussion pages for each question, as some answers might be incorrect. Conclusion: I believe these tips will set you up for success. If you have any questions about Power BI or the exam, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Abhishek, signing off.